Hi, I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm going to share some fun facts and a very cool tip with you for using the new Foil Quill Freestyle pens. The Freestyle pens come in 3 different sizes. This is the fine tip. It also comes in a standard tip and a bold tip, plus a calligraphy tip, which is really cool. You can also get placement tape for helping to secure your foil. There are tons of different colors and sizes of foil. There's 4x6, 12x12 sheets, and then 12-inch rolls in so many beautiful colors. So there are a lot of options out there for adding foil to your projects. There are also USB drives that have 200 different designs on them. And you can use the SVG files or the PNG files. And I want to share a really cool tip with you for how to use the images on the USB drive with the Freestyle pens. So let me let you in on a little secret. I am not a hand letterer or a calligrapher, and I'm not very good at drawing or doodling, but I do have a printer and I can print out these beautiful USB images on the design drives. So what I did is I took a design from the Holiday USB drive and printed it out. You can print it on thin copy paper or vellum paper, and then I just place that paper on top of my foil, which is on top of my material. Here's another little tip. I love to use the magnetic mat because that holds your material and your foil securely without going through all that placement tape. So then I place this on top of my foil, grab my pen, which I have plugged into my charger. This is a battery pack, like you can charge your phones with it or anything else that has a USB plug. And what I love is there are 2 ports. So if I wanted to use my calligraphy pen with the fine tip pen, I can totally have them both heating at one time. All right, so now I'm going to just trace over this design that I have printed on my vellum, and it's going to go right through and down to the foil. All right, so once you've finished tracing over your design, you're going to remove the foil and check that out. So easy, so cute, and you don't have to draw or hand letter. Then for this project, I simply used the clear cut punches to punch this out into a circle. And then I added some dimensional adhesive and stuck it onto this cute little cup cozy for your favorite hot drink in the fall. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers.